Hey there, welcome to another episode of VIVEBITES. This is Yu-Kai Chou, and today we're going to talk about why the VIVE Flow and VIVE Sync is a match made in heaven. So for those who don't know, the VIVE Sync is HTC's Vive's collaboration 3D environments platform, where you go in, you have meetings with people, you can draw on a whiteboard, you can have notes, you can share a lot of media files, and you can explore the internet together. The VIVE Flow is obviously HTC's new immersive glasses where you can experience things in VR in a very, very easy way. Okay, so these things seem very different. One is for business use case, for business discussions. The other is immersive glasses where people associate with mental well-being, with yoga, meditation, and with watching videos, right? Why are those two a match made in heaven? If you looked at a lot of media pieces of content out there that talks about the potential of VR and collaboration and discussions and having meetings and hangouts in VR, right? Metaverse in general, you'll see that, wow, it's really exciting, but it's not happening that much. And you know why? It's because how much effort it takes to jump into VR, to get into a VR meeting, right? Now people are used to say, hey, it's a meeting time, I click on a link and I open a video camera and I open a window and I can start talking to the people I want to. Now, for a lot of people, unless you're really very dedicated in VR, or you have a meeting that must be in VR, right? You're demonstrating 3D products, it usually is a little bit more friction to actually go into VR. And so to make this VR collaboration platform and the whole VR collaboration industry, the whole thing work out well, go into VR needs to be really, really easy. And how do you get into VR? Very, very easy. Well, ta-da, the VIVE Flow gives you the answer to go in VR very easy, right? Because you don't have to go on your computer, open a new piece of software, and then activate these things and log in. Like for the VIVE Flow, you literally plug in your phone, you put on the VR glasses, you're in VR, you can start a meeting. So while we talk about all the powerful features of VIVE Sync and meeting people in VR, in terms of the sympathetic VR, you get to see their hand gestures, you can do virtual high fives and all those things. And you actually feel more presence, right? You get to feel you're close with your coworkers or people you're discussing business with. You can develop chemistry. As much value as it provides, if there's a lot of friction, it's only going to happen for the most important meetings, but not your daily routine meetings. But the VIVE Flow, because it's so easy, you just go in to VIVE Flow and then you get to meet people and you get to enjoy all the benefits of immersive VR meetings. Of course, if you really want the full empathetic VR experience that we've been talking about for a while, it is good to have the VIVE Pro 2, right? Have that whole setup, and there's the facial tracker where you can actually see people's facial expressions. You can see people's hand movements, gestures much better. But again, that's for the very important meetings. That's for the empathetic communications. But if you just want to get into VR very easily, you want to do this daily routine, right? Hey, meeting after meeting after meeting, 3-5 meetings a day. And you also want to be able to get it very, very easily. Now, another huge benefit of VIVE Flow is it allows you to travel with it, right? A lot of people go on business trips, and I think this is opening up more and more these days in 2022. Where people go on business trips, right? And they go to business trips, it's hard to carry other VR headsets. But we talk about with the VIVE Flow, it literally is just a little pouch bag. You can put the VIVE Flow into it. You're always carrying your phone, and you can just go to a hotel in your room on your little desk, plug it into your phone, and voila, you are in a VR meeting. So just so easy and so great. I really think the potential of having a lot more VR immersion meetings in VIVE Sync because of the VIVE Flow is prominent, and it's the inevitable future. So I'm very, very excited about that. And so if you have a VIVE Flow, do try out VIVE Sync and tell me how it goes. Of course, the platform is improving every single week. I think as more and more people use it, the network effect will make it more and more valuable. But for now, hopefully that is useful information and hopefully enjoyed the content. This is Yu-Kai Chou signing off.